Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, what's up? I'm Cheryl and I'm an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So check out my mini videos, y'all. Oh yeah. One quick thing too. One quick plug-a-dug while I got y'all attention. Y'all know it's Martin Luther King Day on Monday, right? What, you didn't know? Well, girl, guy, y'all need to head on to this video because it's only the best Martin Luther King craft video on these YouTube streets. You're welcome. My pleasure. But yes, it is the best. So y'all need to go ahead with y'all kids, pick one of these crafts from this video and get creating, okay? Click the card up top for the video, but I promise y'all will not be disappointed. It's a good video. I still watch it from time to time. But anyway, happy MLK, y'all. Tomorrow, because I will be, of course, this video will be up on Sunday. But anyway, let's continue, guys, because you're just going to love this video. Yes, you guys are gonna love this video. Why? Because these crafts turned out so cute and so adorable, and the video turned out great. So I'm very excited to bring y'all this one, okay? And this book is called Picture Perfect Jordan by Katrina Denise and illustrated by Creative Illustration Studio. So guys, we in this household, I'm saying we as in us, we really love this book because it taught us perseverance and how to keep going when the going gets tough. So I want to tell y'all all about this book, but I'm gonna do it after the crafts, okay? So keep watching to hear all about the wonderful book that inspired all of this goodness you about to see here today in this video. I know what we about to do. We about to jump on in it. So like I always say, let's get crafty. So we made a camera for obvious reasons. I mean, just look at the cover of the book. You kind of can guess that Jordan's going to be into a camera, right? So yes, this camera can be made in two different ways. You can make it with just paper or you can do it with cardboard like I'm going to show you right here, okay? So I took a piece of cardboard, right? I cut in 2 slits because this is going to be the viewfinder for our camera, and I chose to do this out of cardboard because I know my kids was gonna play with it as soon as we were done and I wanted it to last. So now what you see me doing is taking some construction paper. This is a 9x12 construction paper. I can link it down in the description box if y'all want to see exactly where I get my construction paper. But yeah, this is perfect. So I just went ahead and cut a little slice of this. I'm trying to make sure it fits inside of the slits, so you know I gotta maneuver this thing a little bit. I also had to cut a little bit more. So hey, this is the part that the parents are doing before the kids actually get involved. Okay, so just stay with me. All right, so y'all see we made it. It's a miracle. The paper goes through. So this is going to be our reel for our camera, okay? Camera reel. I know, taking it old school. So here you see my daughter is drawing pictures of what she might take a picture of if we were to go to the park. The cool thing about this is after the kids are done drawing their picture, they get a whole new sheet. Just pull it down until you got a fresh little palette right there. Get to drawing your next picture. So I said, what else did you take a picture of while you were at the park? Because you know our boy Jordan in the book, he took lots of pictures. So now your child can too. Okay, so now it's time for you to draw what you are taking pictures of. Go ahead. Who's that? Huh?
You gotta guess.
What is it?
It's gonna be an alligator.
Oh, alligator. That's all the teeth in the mouth. Okay, so draw his long body, I guess. It's a red alligator. Wow, where are you?
That's his tail.
That's his tail. Okay. And that's his legs. Oh, he got 5 legs. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what is he? Is he on the water or is he like standing on the ground? Because there's no background.
He's like the water.
Okay, let's add some blue for the water. Because you know, detail is everything. You know, when you take pictures, you can see the background too.
You're gonna draw the circle.
Oh, alligators in the pond. I love it. After your child has finished creating all their pictures, you're going to put the camera part on. So take some construction paper. Do not glue the bottoms like I did. I glued the bottom and I glued the top. See, I'm erasing it. Take it off. You don't need it because this is where the paper is going to be inserted. So you can't glue that. My bad. So just glue the sides. You see how I'm on the right side and the left side? Keep the top and the bottom open. Don't glue that. Please and thank you. Okay, so once you have done that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess because I made the square a little too big, and this is our camera face. So you can take some paper towel rolls or a paper towel roll. You can go ahead and do the lens there, and I'm going to wrap this with construction paper too, just because you don't have to do this. Honestly, I just wanted to. I had some left over, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue that down. And me and my daughter went ahead and added some more things to make it look like a camera. And look, it ended up turning pink and green. Happy Founders Day, AKAs. I know it's coming up. So yeah, totally wasn't planned, but hey, the spirit moves you, right? All right, so now it is the next day and my daughter is playing with the camera once again in the kitchen. They must have played with this pretty much all day the first day we made it, and the second day, still playing with it. All right, what picture did you take? Can I see? What is this a picture of?
Dog.
It's a dog? Oh, she did take a picture of a dog. Good job. Dinosaurs? You're taking pictures of dinosaurs? And I would show y'all more footage of them playing, but this video will be 2 hours long. So like I said, y'all need to create this today. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the second craft. And this one, of course, came from Jordan's ability to sing and make music. So we gonna make our own microphone. Go ahead and grab some scrap paper that you can ball up into a trash ball. And y'all remember this? Yep, we made this in Lacey's video here. Y'all know y'all remember this. Click the card up top if you haven't seen it. That was a great video. I think I did it about 3 videos ago. So definitely check that one out. So you're going to take your aluminum foil. I'm taking my recycled aluminum foil and I'm going to wrap my trash ball with it. Now we are using a paper towel roll for the handle of our microphone, and my kids wanted to decorate it. So I'm gonna trim about 1/4 off of this like that, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna let them decorate it first. So they're gonna decorate the construction paper and we're gonna let it dry overnight. We're gonna let it dry because they got beads on this, so it needs to dry overnight. All right, so now that it's dry, I'm gonna take some hot glue. I'm going to wrap it around my paper towel roll, and then I'm gonna attach the aluminum ball, and then we're all done. I know what y'all thinking. Oh man, is that hot glue going to actually hold? Yep, it definitely did. And we went ahead and added a little black construction paper underneath the silver ball to kind of give it a nice, a better uniform look in my opinion. And now my kids are ready to sing. I want to hear you sing. Sing. You're happy and you know it. Woo. Woo.
Like a diamond in the sky. I want to see what you are.
Yeah, that was so good.
River that you jump over, and around the course, whoever's the winner, finish.
Oh, really? So yeah, you can use anything as a mic, honestly, but this one is so much more fun. So y'all should definitely try this and watch the things your kids will say, because they will say some wild stuff with that microphone. They feel invincible, honey. All right, so our last craft is definitely the easiest, and it was inspired by Jordan learning how to play football. Y'all, it was a struggle, but you're gonna keep reading this book to see if he actually masters it, right? So to give our plate a football look, you know, it has the little bumps on it. We're gonna use this bubble wrap. We're going to use the method that I've used previously on this video. I don't remember what video, but if I do, I'm going to link it up top. But yes, we are going to rubber band the bubble wrap to the paper towel roll. And then we're going to use it as a stamper so we can have, like, you know, looks like a bumpy football. My kids love this, by the way. Now, if you don't want to do this, you can always just use a marker and color the plate brown or a crayon. Or if Katrina, if you're watching this, if you want to use this craft as one of your vendor events so that way the kids can take it home immediately, use some crayons or a marker. So as you guys can see, I'm going to cut a little piece. I'm going to discard this. We don't need this one. And when you put them together, you see how it makes an oval? That's your football. So use some tape. I found this really cool skinny masking tape that I'm going to use. If you don't have this, I mean, you can cut some thick masking tape in half. I don't know, guys. Just put some tape on there. And then I'm just going to glue this because it was just bothering me that it was sticking up. But you don't have to. It was pretty secure. And then my daughter actually finished this off, y'all. She did a good job. And I wrote Wilson at the bottom so that way we know what brand football is. It looks official. That's super cute. So this one is a great one for a vendor event. So Katrina, definitely try this one. Vendor event. Okay, so now comes the time for you guys to check out the book. So if you guys have watched so far to this point, you are the real MVPs in my eye and you deserve a Medal of Honor. Plus, you're gonna be glad you did because check this book out, y'all. Picture Perfect Jordan is written to inspire children to see themselves as wonderful individuals who can grow and learn with the support of others. It teaches children to believe in themselves, persevere, and to seek help when they need it. Now, we are going to join Jordan as he learns the best ways to face challenges and how to be successful. In the end, Jordan is going to discover, and you're going to discover, that you are picture perfect too, okay? So this is the perfect book for student, educator, counselors. This book also serves as a reminder that hard work equals success, and that though we might be talented and strong, we still can use support from others, and you guys need to seek help when needed, and that just only helps us get stronger and better. So that is why I love this book. It's a great message for the kids and for the adults, I'm just saying. Now guys, Katrina is an educator and a mom just like me, whoop whoop, and that is why her books also include discussion questions and activities for parents. So besides this book, she has another book titled The Message in the Mirror, as well as the 30-Day Journal to Build Girlfidence. I love that word, girlfidence. And a coloring book highlighting an array of careers for girls. Oh my God, we need that. We do. Book bundles can be found on her website. And guys, check this out. She is going to be participating in the Black Children's Book Week in February for Black History Month. So if y'all want more details on that, I think y'all should definitely jump down in that description box right now. And I'm sure she's going to have details on her website about it. There's also links to her social media pages. Make sure you guys follow her on that so you guys can be updated on when she is doing her Black Children's Book Week. That is so awesome. And also, don't forget, there's the website down there too, so you guys can go to her website and purchase these books. Help her author out, you know what I'm saying? But for real, y'all, this was such a good book. We enjoyed it with the beautiful message, and I just love this book. So you guys are gonna love it too. So definitely grab it today, okay? And now, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video until the end. Like I said, y'all the real MVPs. Don't forget that, okay? And please don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know, because I'm reading, I'm looking, y'all. What is y'all favorite craft that y'all cannot wait to make from this video? If y'all answer that question, I know you watched the whole video, so please answer that for me, okay? When you make it, don't forget to take pictures and tag me on Instagram, because y'all know I like to shout y'all out and celebrate y'all babies. So please do that, okay? Please don't forget to share this video with a parent, friend, sister, babysitter, cousin, church member, or anybody you know that likes creating with kids. And don't leave just yet, guys. I got hundreds of videos. I just hit my 200 mark, by the way. But I have 200 videos on this channel that you guys will love watching. And guess who's gonna see you in the next video? Me. So let's go.